438. Let's see, where did we leave off? We were making the boss. Okay, where are we at here? Yeah, we're working on drawing the GUI. Okay, I'm going to add a life bar for the boss. I got interrupted last time, so I have to start over here. Okay, so draw an end. I believe that's what I want to do. Okay, yeah. Create your code. And we're basically doing the same thing we've done on the other light bar. Say like the ship. So boss life bar. We'll make a local PC equals global dot BSP, that's what we called it, divided by global dot max BSP, and then of course times 100. Okay, if global, I should probably copy and paste that, but BSP smaller or equal to 0. Should just say 0 smaller than, but oh, there's a chance it'll fuck up. Okay, instance destroy so when the boss points end up at 0 or below 0, it will destroy. Okay, draw set font. We use the same one, font Arial. It's going to pop up. I'm doing Areola. Arial bold. There we go. Draw set H line, and we'll do the left, FA left. Is that right? That's not right. There we go. Draw text. And let's do transform color. And we'll put it at 152x and 77 y. And then we're going to have to do the string thing to turn the variable into a string. And we're going to round it up. Floor. Where are we at here? And then global dot BSP, not minus. And there's 1, 2. Is that right? Okay. Plus, let's add our percentage sign. And then we go scale, rotation 0. And then we'll go with C white. And like I said, you can use whatever color you want, as long as you can see it. 2, 3, 4. And our alpha is 1. And call that good. Now we have to draw health bar. There it is. Okay. Draw our health bar. And I'm going to set it at 50 x 80 y 150 x 92 y. And that'll take in the PC, the amount, so that's what makes it go up and down. I'm going to use C black for I believe, yeah, background color. We're going to use black for the black background color. C red, C green. Yeah, that'll be fine. So it'll go from green to red, like Dire Straits red. Let's go with false. Wait, where are we at? Direction. Oh yeah, direction is false. I think I'm missing something here. Oh, direction is 0. That means it's going from it's heading to your right. Show back, show order. Okay, that's fine. Oh, we also want to do. Okay, I'm gonna draw. Let's just copy this. Copy. And we'll make it center because I want it to be centered on the life bar. So it'll say boss of life or something like that. So I'll say draw. Do we have a draw? Let's do that one. Copy that one. B. And this one will be at 100. So we're drawing the text on there. 78, 1 pixel down. And we'll make this one boss life. And everything else can remain the same. So let's give that a try. And we still have the level set to 3, which means once it starts, it's going into level 4. I think. Which means when we nuke it, it'll go to level 5. Okay, here we are. We're at level 3. We're level 4. Because once it starts, it's level 4. So I'll nuke it. And we have a problem here. So. And you guys probably already saw it. Right there. Max BSP. I had an L in there for some reason. Let's give it a try again. We're level 3 going to level 4. We're going to nuke it. And there he is. And I'll fly over to it. There's your boss's life. Okay, but we're not hitting it yet. So let's shut that down. Okay, which is kind of cool. That's cool. But we need to have intervention here, don't we? So let's open up the boss. Let's add an event, object bullet, collision with the object bullet. Create the code. And we'll say with other, meaning the bullet. Let's say speed equals 0. We're going to stop the speed of the bullet, and then we'll create instance create x, y, object, explode. We'll have an explosion on him. And then we destroy our bullet. And we are, awesome. Yeah, here we go again. And then we got to, in the global.bsp, the boss power count minus equals random range, and we'll just go 1 to 5. And once again, you can do whatever you want. Okay, but we're gonna have to copy this. Probably a better way to do this, but then we'll add event, collision, game collision, the extra bullet, same thing. I'll just put it right in there. It'll do the same thing. And so that should start taking points off our boss. So let's see if that works. I'll nuke it. Okay, it's hitting him. We're losing life. Oops, I died. Okay, we're losing life there. Yep, we're losing the life. And it got destroyed. Okay, so it seems to be working. Pretty sure you saw the life bar. I think what I want to do, let's add a destroy. Add the code. In case we use the nuke on him, I want to add some, it's a safeguard. Global dot nuke on equals false, so we know that the nuke is available after you nuke them. Okay, so we also, I'm gonna create a second explosion just specifically for the boss. Instance, I haven't created it yet, but I'm just gonna call to it. Create x, y, object, explode, but we're gonna call it boss. And it doesn't exist yet. And you get global dot score plus equals, we'll give 250. And once again, you can put whatever scoring options you want, but you get 250 points for taking out the boss on mine. Okay, so we gotta make another boss, or another explosion. So we can just copy. There's explode big. That's a huge one. This is gonna be a boss explosion. So let's duplicate the explosion. That's an object. And I'll call it object explode boss. And there's probably better ways to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. Okay, in this one, we're gonna say image. Oh, we already did that, didn't we? Image alpha point. Oh yeah, that's just a regular explosion. This is gonna be different. We're gonna make the image alpha at 1. And once again, you can do whatever the hell you want. We're gonna slow down the speed of the explosion. We don't need that. And we don't need all this stuff. All it's gonna do is make it sound. And you know what I'm gonna do? Because it's a big explosion, I'm gonna double that. So it plays twice. What you think about that? But I'm gonna say image X scale equals 3. And same in the Y scale. So it'll just be a kind of a, it should wrap around the size of the boss. It'll be a little louder because we've got 2 of them going. So let's give that a try. Let's blow this bastard up. That was the big explosion. Ah, crap. Okay. We got a problem. Okay. See, I always use an uppercase S for stuff that's in the Gamemaker, because there's actually a score variable that's used in Gamemaker. I used a lowercase, so that screwed it up. So this should have fixed it. Well, that didn't work. Okay. Let's try that again. I didn't see it explode correctly. Dimension. Okay, there you go. Did you see that explosion? That's pretty cool. That's a good explosion. I did see a couple flaws in there. Okay. So I'm gonna have to let this one go. So subscribe if you can, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Okay, bye.